Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, today we are going to study a next part of standard third subject English. Second part, Ria in the village. Page number 10, Ria in the village. There's a grocery shop near my house. There we buy grain, oil, salt, sugar, biscuits and many other things. Can you name them? I am in standard 3. I walk to school. We learn Marathi, English, mathematics and study our environment in our school. Our English textbook is called My English Book 3. Students, we know Priya live in a small village, so she go to school in village only. There's a small grocery shop. Grocery shop means किराने की दुकान, जहाँ पे उसको हर चीज़ आसानी से मिल जाती है. उसके विलेज के अंदर एक ग्रोसरी शॉप है जहाँ से वो सामान डेली यूज़ का खरीदते हैं उसके वालिदैन, या उसको जो चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है वो ग्रोसरी शॉप से खरीद लेती है. अब उसकी ग्रोसरी शॉप में, विलेज की ग्रोसरी शॉप में क्या क्या चीज़ें मिलती हैं उसने कहा है. वी बाय ग्रेन्स, वो वहाँ से अनाज खरीदते हैं, ऑयल, तेल, शुगर, शक्कर, बिस्किट्स एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स. अब इतनी जिन चीज़ों के उसने नाम लिए हैं सिर्फ दुकान में उतनी ही चीज़ें नहीं हैं. अगर आप देखिए गौर से पिक्चर को तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है उसकी दुकान के अंदर, जैसे बिस्किट्स, चॉकलेट्स, पल्सेस, शैम्पूज, ब्रश, और वहाँ से चिली पाउडर, टर्मरिक पाउडर, सोप, ब्रूम, झाड़ू है, मैगी पैकेट है, टी है. टी हम दो तरह से बोलते हैं, जो चाय है उसको भी हम टी बोलते हैं, चाय पत्ती को भी हम टी कहते हैं. तो टी पैकेट्स है वहाँ पे. कॉफ़ी है, सोप है, बाथ सोप है, वॉशिंग सोप है, ब्रूम है, ब्रश है, चिली पाउडर, टर्मरिक पाउडर और बहुत सारी चीज़ों के पैकेट और रैपर्स है, सॉल्ट पैकेट है, जगरी है. तो आपको इन तमाम चीज़ों के नाम नोट करना है कि आपके शॉप्स में, ग्रोसरी शॉप में आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें मिलती है. और उसके मम्मी जो खरीद रहे हैं आप देखेंगे चेक करके ले रहे हैं, जैसे आप भी चेक करके लेते हैं. अच्छी क्वालिटी के बिस्किट्स है वहाँ पे, बैलेंस है, बैलेंस तराजू, और उसके साथ में लीटर का माप है जिससे हम चीज़ें गिनते हैं, मेजर करते हैं. मेजरमेंट भी है वहाँ पे. अगर आप देख रहे होंगे तो जार के पास में, चॉकलेट जार के पास में है मेजरमेंट्स. और आई एम स्टैंडर्ड 3. जो प्रिया कह रही है कि मैं स्टैंडर्ड 3rd में पढ़ती हूँ. आपको भी पता है कि आप स्टैंडर्ड 3rd में हैं. यू आल्सो स्टडी इन स्टैंडर्ड 3rd, बट वी लिव इन सिटी, सो आवर स्कूल, आवर ग्रोसरी शॉप इन सिटी. बट प्रिया लिव इन विलेज, दैट्स व्हाई हर स्कूल इज आल्सो इन विलेज ओनली. What Priya learn in her school? She learns Marathi, English, mathematics and study our environments. Same our subjects are there, but we study Urdu also. All these subjects we study, but we study Urdu external subject. Our first language is Urdu, but we all study all these subjects also in our school. Check your bag, there are some books, this name's book in your bag also. My English Book 3. Which book is this? What is the name of our English book? My English Book 3. Her English book's name is also My English Book 3. What we see, the school is just like a small building of a school there. She go to school by lane. There is not a road. She walks to school. She not goes to school by bicycle, bike, car, van, bus. No, nothing is there in the village. She goes to school by walking. And Priya is with her mother on the shop. Do you go to school? Do you go to grocery shop to buy things with your mom, with your father? Write what you buy and what you purchase from the grocery shop. Make a list and send on my on WhatsApp. Thus, again, Priya in the village part 2 her difficult words. The chapter's difficult words: grocery shop, Grocery, grocery, shop, grocery shop, Grains, grains, anaj, pulses, rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, all comes in grain. SUGR, sugar, sugar, BISCUITS, biscuits. Which biscuit you like most? Write the name of that biscuit. STANDARD, standard. In which class you are? Learn, LERN, learn. Learn, to learn it by heart, याद करना. Marathi, MARATHI, Marathi is the subject. MATHEMATICS, mathematics. Do you solve the mathematics sums? Yes or no? Write the answer. ENVIRON, MENT, environment studies. Environmental studies is your subject and you get many knowledge from this book. TEXT, text, BOOK, book, textbook. Textbook from which we learn the lesson. This book called textbook. Write these difficult words 20 times, learn it by heart with the spelling. I will take your test in next chapter. Students, we are continuing the next part, Riya in the City, part 2. Compare the picture Riya in the Village, part 2 and Riya in the City, part 2. Both the pictures in front of you. Open your textbook and try to read with me and compare the lesson. The difference between the grocery shop of village and the mall, the grocery shop of city. There's a grocery shop near my house. There we buy grain, oil, salt, sugar, biscuits and many other things. Can you name them? I am in standard 3. I go to school by bus. We learn Marathi, English, mathematics and study our environment in school. Our English textbooks, it is called My English Book 3. Students, look the picture, both the picture, try to compare both the pictures. In village, it is the grocery shop, but it is very small grocery shop. There are many less things in the shop, but the grocery shop in the city is very big. It is just like a small mall. Here, Priya's mommy bring a bag with her to buy things and get them in that bag. But here, the Riya's mommy is going to pick up the things from the racks and keep it in the trolley. Here we get the bill from the bill on the page, but here the bill we get from the computer. It is the biggest difference. And there are many things in the shop, but it is very less things. Here it is very less things in the village. We can see many things in the city. Tomato ketchup, biscuits, butters, flour, wheat flour, rice packets, breads, butters, jaggery, milk powder, jam, coconut oil, tea, soap, bath soap, washing soap, detergents, soaps, coffee packet, bottle, cake, Maggi, and there are juices, cold drinks, many types of juices and many types of cold drinks. It is very big shop. Riya and her mother is taking the things in trolley. They will buy all the things, keep it in the trolley and they will go to the counter. Here is the counter. They will show the things. The bill will come out from the computer. And Riya is also in standard 3. She goes to school by bus because her school is very far from their house. And Riya's village is very small. So she walked to school because Priya's school is very near to her house. But Riya's school is very far from her house. So she go to school by bus. How do you go to school? Write it in your notebook. The subjects are same in standard third. Priya learn the same subject, Marathi, English, mathematics, study our environment. Same subjects, both are learning the same subjects, but different are the Riya go to school by bus, but Priya walk to school because Priya's village is very small and the school is very near to her house, and Riya's school is very far from her house, so she go to school by bus. They both are happy. Priya is happy in her village, Riya is happy in city. So compare both the pictures, write the difference, what you see in cities, make a list, what you see in village, make a list. There are some difficult words. Here we see the difficult words. Difficult words: jaggery, bread, butter, wheat flour, brush, cold drinks, coffee, soap, soft tomato ketchup. Write these words 20 times, learn it by heart, find out the meaning from the dictionary. And there is a homework for you students. I am writing some questions. You have to find the answers from your textbook. Who live in village? Who live in city? You know better. Which subjects do you study in your school? Which subjects you study you know very well. How do you go to school? What things do you buy from grocery shop? When you go to market with your father, with your mother, you buy things and you know what things you buy from the shop. So I hope you will try to find the answers, write it in your notebook. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our Rahimgarh channel, like and share it. Allah Hafiz.